Sometimes it will be necessary to add a product manually to product maintenance. For example, products from a non-Minfos maintained supplier. From the Product Maintenance window, click Add. In the Product Entry window, use your mouse or keyboard to navigate around the window. Only use Enter to save and close the Product Entry window. If the product does not have a unique barcode, click the Make Barcode button. If the product does have a unique barcode, either scan or enter the barcode into the barcode field. Enter the name of the product. You can use upper or lower case. Follow the existing practice at your pharmacy. Set the correct product type. Most of the time, this will be the default Type 1 product, a standard product that is both received and sold. If you are adding a stock card for a service, such as eyebrow waxing or a health check, ensure you use product type 7, services. Set the VAT code or use the GST on sales and GST on purchases checkboxes. Enter the unit cost if required. You can also update the unit cost when the product is invoiced. If you have a markup that you would like to make on this item, enter the markup percentage, and Minfos will suggest a retail price based on the cost plus markup. Otherwise, enter the required retail price in the retail price field. This can also be adjusted after receiving the product. It's best not to leave the retail price at zero or a very low price, just in case the item is sold at the till before the retail price is adjusted. Check the Reorder Stocked checkbox if required. Check the Discountable checkbox if the product should be eligible for discounts applied at the till. Check the Dispensable checkbox if this product will be dispensed. Click the Categories tab. Enter the price policy if required or leave it the default. Enter the correct preferred supplier by supplier code or enter the supplier name. Press Tab. Select the correct supplier and click OK. Enter the supplier's PDE in the PDE field. The next options allow you to classify the product to enable meaningful reporting and assist with easy ordering. Minfos offers a range of classifications. There is no need to use every one of them. Check with your owner, manager, or banner group to find out which category types you should complete. Enter the correct department or leave at the default. Enter the correct company or leave as default. Enter the correct brand or leave as the default. And enter the correct IEU, class or location if required. Enter the correct AR product code. The main AR codes are Sale 1000, where products will generate on dispensary orders, or Sale 2000, where the product will generate on retail orders. Click OK to save the product. The product entry window is displayed. Continue adding products or click Cancel to return to product maintenance.